Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. So, my name is Amalina. So, in this occasion, I will present my research proposal entitled about the correlation between student listening ability and students speaking ability at second grade students of SMA in 1 Palmata. Okay, so first we are going to the table of content. Researcher will explain in chapter 1 about introduction. There is background of study, research question, significance of the research, limitation of the problem, and definition of key terms. In chapter 2 about review of literature, researcher will explain about theoretical review. And in chapter 3 about research method, researcher will explain about research design, setting, and subject of research, research instrument, and research procedure. Okay, first, chapter 1 about introduction. Background of the study. According Brown at 19 and 1904 state that for almost 6 decades, research and practice in English language teaching has identified the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing as paramount importance. Richard and Renandia, however, raised the idea that most of the world's language learners learn English to develop proficiency in speaking. No doubt, speaking ability is the main understanding in learning English. Seen from the other abilities, listening ability cannot be underestimated. This is because through active listening, students get better vocabulary and syntax, as well as better pronunciation, according Cross at 19 and 92. Okay, in research question of this research proposal is there significant correlation between student speaking ability and student listening ability? Okay, significance of the study. Based on my research question, there is significant correlation between student speaking ability and student listening ability. About the limitation of the problem, researchers focus on the correlation between students' listening ability and student speaking ability. Okay, in definition of key term, researcher will explain about speaking and listening. We are going to chapter 2 about review of related literature. First, speaking. Speaking is an interactive process of constructing meaning that involves producing and receiving on and processing information. It can be seen when you pronounce the word, according Flores at 1999. It is often spontaneous, open-ended, and involving. But it is not completely unpredictable. Speaking is the ability of language learners to interact with other speakers, to make meaning as distinct from their ability to perform on discrete point tests of grammatical knowledge. About listening, so as something that is assumed greater and greater importance in foreign language classroom, according Nunan 2002, the primacy of listening competence in interaction is evident to engage in any form of communication. It is necessary to understand and react to what has been said. Consequently, learners need to practice listening as well as engaging in interactional activities. Okay. Next, about chapter 3, research method. Researcher use a comparative test with question related to speaking ability and listening ability, where the researcher formed 2 different samples from the population. About setting and subject of research, the research was conducted at SMA N1 Palmata in the academic 2020 to and 2021. The school is located in Anambas Island District, in Palmata District. The research subjects were students in grade 2nd at SMA N1 Palmata. About research instrument, so researcher use monologue form of listening to individuals, listening and speaking test material by describing pictures, room, habits, and 3 researcher using the present tense. And last, researcher use the length of the test is 100 to 136 words. About research procedure, so first, researcher will going to do planning, implementing, and reporting. Okay, so that's all from researcher. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.